Now, to render in Lumen for rendering animations or normal renders in Lumen, friends, here's the image. Look, edit in Lumen. So normally, when you go to the ambience section, you head to the rendering part. The real-time section in Lumen. We need to enhance the scene details and other parts here. In terms of the quality of the scene, in terms of the quality of the light, look, I'm increasing the quality here. I've increased the view distance. I'm not touching the lighting update speed part. When I go down, I adjust the quality and bounce count in the reflection settings section of the number. I'm not playing the shadow part, guys. I'm currently in the real-time section. I can adjust the settings with these parts here, or I can capture animations and render from here. Friends, so how can I capture an animation from here? How can I create the animation? That's important to me. I've updated my settings in this section. As you can see, I can also render like this, but we will use Lumen in the animation part. The Lumen render section. I'm currently in the Lumen render section. How do I know that I'm in the Lumen render section? Look at that triangle right there. When we see a triangle lying horizontally to the left, it's a symbol, my friends. This shows that I'm in Lumen. Lumen, again, is really a dynamic animation and rendering engine, friends. It's a rendering engine that will make our job a lot easier. If you have a deficiency in lighting, if you have this deficiency, you can increase the shortcomings here, either by adjusting the Eva Made section from here, or by increasing the Internet section to allow a bit more light to come in. If you can let a bit more light in this menu, your image will be that much more high quality. Because this is a rendering engine that's a bit more sensitive to light, the light didn't come in as much. What now? How will I create the animation? In this section, I press the update button. Look, friends, I'm pressing the video section over there. I've switched to the animation section. I press the plus tab. As you can see here, I'm currently at this angle. With keyboard mouse and D. I made an angle movement by rotating both with my keyboard and turning my mouse. I pressed the plus button. I made another angle movement and pressed again. As you can see, I came back this way again. And let's say I've finished here. The animation, I'm pressing the play button here to see how the animation looks. Look, I've come here and I'm continuing. I created a 10-second animation and I've shown the vehicle here and finished. As you can see, you can get many animation elements like this. You can continue from where you left off by clicking here and pressing the plus icon again, or you can start from a different angle. So, how can I export a part of the video? When I come to the export section, look in video and image. I can see that the blue sections are marked the boxes. These boxes indicate that there are visuals in the render and video sections. To me, I'm just going to the image section to get the visuals of the video in these boxes. I remove all of them from the process by saying deselect all. I went to the video section and marked the video I had taken while deactivating the other video. Video 2 is active, so this is the part of the animation that I will be capturing. It's active, guys. Later, when I went to the ambience section, I saw that the video resolution in the video section was 6200. 6200 is really a big value within Lumen. I set this to 2K, leaving it at around 2400. I came to the export section. I set the frame rate to 30 here. You can increase the details section, so I set this part to medium. And by clicking on the Start Export section here, I selected the animation by choosing the folder called Garage on the desktop. The animation, in Lumen is actually different compared to other animation render engines. That is, according to X-Ray. Since it works a bit faster, the results it gives us will also be quicker. You can create a smoother image by selecting 30 or 60 FPS. Of course, as the resolution increases, the quality of the animation will also improve because of the resolution. It's working in connection with this, guys. When our animation is finished, let's take another look at our animation item. Yes, our animation part is done. I'm going to the Garage folder on the desktop, and I'm right-clicking on the animation here. I'm saying open it, as you can see, guys. In the Lumen detaching section, we can get our animation in a more high quality and dynamic way like this. Since the pet trace would result in a longer render time, it would have held us back. But Lumen came to our rescue.